ADG, itong pinakahuling insidente sa Ayungin Shoal na pinag-uusapan po ng lahat, nakita namin yung video. Syempre nababahala marami sa ating mga kababayan dahil medyo agresibo itong confrontation nila with China and may naputulan pa ng daliri. So bilang dyan po kayo sa National Security Council, how would you describe this incident? And yung ganito ba na medyo agresibo at may mga may mga patalim?
Palakol, yes.
Yeah,
may bolo.
May bolo,
may
axe. Ito ba will you consider this an act of war?
Well, napakahirap ng tanong mo, partner, no? Kasi unang-una, we are really very alarmed and concerned sa nangyari dyan sa Ayungin Shoal nung nakaraang resupply mission natin. And it's very clear na ito ay an illegal act and unlawful use of force. No? Yung ating mga tropa, I was just doing a routinary mission para magbigay ng kagamitan at mga supplies sa ating tropa sa BRP Sierra Madre. Ngunit kinuyog sila, no? At kitang-kita ng buong mundo, no? Despite the different version coming from China. No? I'm sure, partner, nabasa mo yung statement na naman mula sa Chinese Foreign Ministry na hindi ganito yung kanilang version. Buti na lang, meron tayong mga videos and we have a transparency policy. At maliwanag na yan po talaga ang nangyari. No? Now, to the question, is it an act of war? Yan ang mabigat na tanong. Because tayo po sa ating bansa, particularly the government, we cannot make knee-jerk reactions. We cannot make hasty reactions. We should approach this problem and this question with in a calm and deliberate manner. No? I think ang purpose na ginawa ng China was to disrupt our mission, no? Through that kind of aggression na ginawa nila. And is it an act of war? It doesn't look like an act of war. It is a act of China purposely para pigilan yung mission natin na ginawa nila in an aggressive manner.
Okay. Kasi nangangamba po ang mga kababayan na rin po natin, ibang mga eksperto na nagsasabi, baka sa susunod sumampa na sila sa Sierra Madre. I mean, kung kaya nitong gawin, parang palapit na sila ng palapit. Paano pag yun ang nangyari? Bigla silang sumampa sa Sierra Madre?
Well, unang-una, partner, i-contextualize ko na yung sagot ko by saying that the President made the position of the country very clear yesterday and the other day nang pumunta siya sa Westcom. At sabi ng Pangulo, the Philippines will not resort to the use of force or intimidation or deliberately inflict harm to anyone. So ang gusto talaga natin dito, magkaroon ng kalmadong pag-uusap ang dalawang panig at makapahanap tayo ng diplomatic na solusyon dito sa impasse na ito. No? Now, as to your question, paano kung sumampa sila, ibang usapan yun. Remember, BRP Sierra Madre is a commissioned warship of the Philippine Navy. No, grounded nga lang siya, but it is a commissioned warship. Now, when a foreign country or entities of a foreign country invade, no, or try to take over the BRP Sierra Madre as a commissioned vessel of the Philippine Navy, that is a different matter altogether. No? Kumbaga, sa tingin ko, no, it's a red line that cannot be crossed because iba ang repercussions niyan. At ang mga tropa natin sa BRP Sierra Madre, hindi sila, I'm sure, papayag na lusubin sila doon at sampahan sila ng agents of a foreign power.
So, my next question would be, do you think this is going to, you can invoke the Mutual Defense Treaty kapag sumampa sila? Let's say talagang pumunta sila doon at saka gawin yung mga ginawa rin nila doon sa recent incident at baka arestuhin o magkaroon ng confrontation, the fact na nandun sila physically sa ating Sierra Madre, would that be an act of war?
Well, partner, unang-una hindi tayo papayag na mawala ang BRP Sierra Madre sa Ayungin Shoal. We are committed to that installation. Yung BRP Sierra Madre is our advanced post. It's a military detachment in Ayungin Shoal. And the presence of BRP Sierra Madre confirms our occupation of Ayungin Shoal. So, may 9 features tayo. Di tayo papayag, as mentioned by the President very clearly. Hindi mababawasan yan. We will not lose every square inch, any square inch of our territory. Ngayon, kung tanong mo, will this require an invocation in case sumampa sila sa BRP Sierra Madre? Dito tayo mag-iisip. as a country. Because gusto ba natin na magkaroon ng foreign involvement dito? You know, kasi an armed attack on BRP Sierra Madre, we have to decide, no? The government has to decide if it is an act that warrants the engagement of collective self-defense arrangements under the MDT. Remember, ang purpose ng Mutual Defense Treaty is it's a form of collective self-defense arrangements between the United States and the Philippines. So, kailangan, we must determine if the use of force is sufficient and wide-scale to be constituted as an act of war. No?
Okay.
And hindi namin masasagot yan sa
ngayon.
National Security Council sa
okay.
ngayon. That has to be a decision of the President and of the government as a whole. Kasi that means already foreign involvement. Pero ang masasabi ko lang sa ngayon is di tayo papayag na mawala ang BRP Sierra Madre because that is a policy direction made very clear already by the President.
Alright, maraming salamat sa mga update mo. Welcome back, ADG.
Thank you, partner.